Go.
Okay. Hello. This is the reason I like the Monkees. They have good songs. They're awesome. I know. And that they are very funny. I like how they pitch their voice, and I like this album cover. It's a very good album. You guys, I'm the only last and first one that's gonna have this album.
If you can convince somebody, if you can convince someone to win tickets to go see the Monkees, what would you do? How can you convince them?
I would convince them that
Why should you win tickets?
I'll say this, like, I'll pretend I don't like them. I'm like, no, because then they're just going to be weird. Then give me those tickets. I'll rip them up and shred them. Then I'll go to the concert and I'm like, yeah! And they're a very good group.
But, okay, say for example, they ask you, if you could win tickets, how could you say, how would you describe, or how can you prove that you are their #1 fan?
I could prove it that it has the actually real record. And look, in the back of it. Watch for the Monkees. And it came out in 7:30 p.m. I'm the very top fan. I watched her videos. I make Minecraft stuff out of them. And it's just oh my gosh. I could even, like, if I met one of the Monkees, then I would just like, oh my god, I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'll be like blacked out and oh my god. That's why I'm gonna be the only one kid, #1, that's gonna call Peter Tork here in this house. I am not gonna lie to you guys. I swear, I'm gonna cross my heart. I swear that I'm going to call Peter Tork at this house. Oh my god. By the way, I have to tell you their names if you don't know their names. David Jones. It's called Peter Tork. Mickey Dolenz and Mike Nesmith.